Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaicans Sheryl, Ralph and Kerry Washington to get their star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Sheryl, who will be inducted in the category television, was on her way to the US from Jamaica when she jumped on her Instagram to share the news with her fans.
Everybody's blowing up my phone telling me that I'm in the class of 2024 for a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Wow. I just have to thank God. I have to thank everybody who considered me for this. Wow, thank you.
The 2024 class of inductees of the Hollywood Walk of Fame was announced Monday. Now, the list sees Ralph joining Washington, as well as the likes of Tony Braxton, Dr. Dre, Gwen Stefani, Otis Redding, and posthumously Chadwick Boseman. The inductees were chosen from hundreds of nominations from a wide cross-section of entertainment professionals in the categories of motion picture, television, live theater, live performance, radio, recording, and sports entertainment. The class of 2024 has been selected to receive stars by the Walk of Fame selection panel. Dates have not yet been scheduled for these star ceremonies. Now, as we congratulate Washington on being inducted, the actress over the weekend took a walk at the monthly Kingston Art Walk Festival at Kingston Art District. Now, Kingston Art Walk, which is hosted by Kingston Creatives, posted photos of the actress on their Instagram page with a caption which partially read, quote, "Our Jamaican arts and culture scene will always have an impact on the world stage with its massive appeal and global reach," unquote. Washington is also living it up, as this morning she posted a fun video of herself with dancehall superstar Sean Paul grooving to his hit single Temperature. Now, did someone say kiss out my Bible? Well, there have been mixed reactions following the performance from Minister Marion Hall at Groovin' in the Park in New York on Sunday. The highly billed entertainer took to the stage to deliver her testimony through music and left many lauding her performance, while some took to social media to question her delivery of the message.
You witches and warlocks, me I tell you right now, if you step back, me not one Christian who clap back. I'm ready to clap back, clap on the head.
Hits 92 FM's Jenny, who was a host at the event, says that in her opinion, Minister Hall did exactly what she was called to do.
When she brought out a song that's not even yet recorded, because I've been waiting for it, it me and kiss out my Bible. And when she went through the different verses, for anybody that is definitely needing that part of the word that she called the Jezebel, controversy. And it was well received because the audience get it, and she had the audience in stitches as they waited to see how different Marion Hall is going to be from Lady Saul. Was she different? Yes, of course she was different. She was all about making sure that she deliver, that she will never be Lady Saul again. So she was very strong about that part of the message.
Minister Marion Hall is set to perform at Reggae Sumfest in Montego Bay come July 22. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.